Fan art can sometimes be a bit of a taboo topic in the art community. There's quite a lot of opinions around about it, but I think fan art is something really good for any artist, and here's why. The first reason is because there's less pressure for you. When drawing fan art, you don't need to create a whole character from scratch. You don't need to think of a story for them, a name, how they look, what they wear, and what should their colors be. All these things are already made, now all you have to do is draw your own interpretation of a character you like. Of course you can make some changes like a different hairstyle or different clothes, but the essence of the character is already there and you don't have to worry too much about it. This is especially great when you're going through an art block and having some difficulty in having new ideas. Just pick up a character that you really like at this moment and draw some fan art of them. It's like comfort food but for drawing. Today I don't draw as much fan art as I used to, but whenever I start a new game or show that I start feeling really attached to, it feels really good to draw some fan art from it. The same goes when I start thinking and remembering about some of my favorite games and need to put all those feelings into paper. There's something very comfortable about drawing fan art of the things you love. It's like you're giving your own tribute to those things you like. Drawing fan art will also help you improve your art. When you're drawing fan art, you're learning something from the original character or drawing. You might learn new techniques, new styles that are interesting for you, and even a different process than the one you use right now. Whenever you look at other people's art, take the time to actually study and learn from it. A lot of artists start with fan art, not only because it's easier to start with something you love, but also because they're inspired by someone else and want to learn to do the same thing. Art is all about experimentation. There's so much we can do and there's no way to know what works for you without trying it. So use fan art to explore your art and learn more. Another reason why you should draw more fan art is because it's inspirational for you. You're drawing something that you love, that is special to you. And that is the main reason for anyone to draw. It's because you enjoy it. If it inspires you, then do more of that. Don't do fan art of this or that show simply because they're trending right now. Do it because they are important to you. We all need inspiration, and what better place than games, TV shows, books, and so many others. Consume those things, draw them, show them your love by drawing your own interpretation of the characters that speak to you. Now, as I said before, fan art will also help explore your own style. We watch so many different things and there's so many styles to choose from that doing fan art of those things will let you not only know what's out there, but experiment with them as well. You might really like a specific style, but when you try it, you realize it's not really your thing. And that's okay. Maybe there's one thing you like about it and you try to introduce it to your own style. You experiment with it, try different things and adapt it into something that is yours. Style is mostly our own solutions to our problems, as well as a collection of things that inspire us from others. So use fan art to your advantage, learn from the original and experiment with different styles. Our style is ever-changing, so there's always time to explore it and change it into something that is unique to ourselves. So take your time with it and have fun. Speaking of fun, the most important reason for you to draw more fan art is because it's fun. If you like it and enjoy it, then do it. A lot of people build their careers around fan art. That's how some artists get jobs working on specific comics or shows. It's because they drew fan art of it and it caught people's attention. If it's something that you like, there's no reason for you to stop doing it. It all depends on your goals, and even if you're more focused on creating your own characters, your own original stories, no one is stopping you from drawing fan art of something you love from time to time. I do it, everyone does it, you should do it if that is enjoyable to you. There's also a bunch of fun challenges around that use fan art. For example, you have the 6 fan art, where people can give you different characters from different places and you gotta draw fan art of them. The Draw This in Your Style challenge can also be considered fan art. Someone drew an illustration or a character and basically you're drawing fan art of it. Joining this is always really fun, even if it's just to unwind a bit from your regular work. So draw more fan art if that's what you love, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and as always, keep on drawing.